Hello students, let us do the sum of mode by grouping method. This is a question of mode which we can find out by the method of grouping. Grouping method is here, and for this the class interval and frequencies are given. We have to make the table like this. In this column this is the classes like this 4, 8, 8, 12, and second one is the frequency. Just after this column we will make also column number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see what is the procedure to solve the question. So these two items are given in the question. Now we have to do right from this column. So we have to grouping the frequencies. At first two frequency together. So adding by 10 and 12 we will get 22, 16, 14 it will gives 30, 10 and 8, 18, 17 and 5, 22, and the last one will be like this. Nothing to do because this has no pair. In this column number 3, we have to make the grouping like this. Leave the first frequency, take the next two. So 12 plus 16, 28, 14, 10, 24, 8, 17, 25, 5 and 4, 9. In the fourth column, just see, we have to make the grouping by three frequencies together. 1, 2, 3. 10, 12, 16, it will give 38, 14, 10 and 8, 32, 17, 5 and 9, 26. Okay. In the next one, just leave the first frequency and take the next three frequency together. The 12, 16 and 14. 6 to 8, 4, 30, 4, 12 and 14. This is 42. Next 3, 10, 8, 17. This is 35. And here two frequencies are remaining. So we have nothing to do with this because the group of 3 is not completed here. So 42 and 35 we got here. And now leave two frequencies. Leave first two frequencies and take the next three and then next three. So 16, 14, 10. This is 40, this one, and 8, 17, 5, it is 30. Leave the last one. Okay, after this we have to make the analytical table. Analytical table will be like this. This is the columns and these are the classes. Now we have to decide from the first column that which frequency is the highest. Which is the highest frequency? Highest frequency is 17. Highest number is 17. So the class of 17 is 2832. So in 2832 we will write a tick mark. Okay. In the second column, just see highest frequency is 30. So 30 belongs to 12, 16 and 16, 20. So tick mark will be in the both classes 12, 16. Just see 12, 16 and 16, 20. Okay. In the third one, highest frequency is 28. 28 is from these two 8, 12, 12, 16. 8, 12, 12, 16. 8, 12, 12, 16. Okay. In the third column, tick mark is here. And now in the fourth, just see the highest one is 38. So it is 38 belongs to 4, 8, 8, 12 and 12, 6. Okay. So in here we will take the frequencies in the class 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 6 in the fourth column. In the fifth, just see highest one is 42 and it belongs to here this 8, 12, 12, 16 and 16, 20. Similarly, the last one 40 belongs to this. So take is there 1, 2, 3. After doing such things, our next work to find out in which class maximum tick mark is there. So just you see that maximum tick mark is there in the classes 12 and 16. 5 tick is there. So our model class will be 12, 16. After this we have to apply the formula, and the formula of mode is this. After writing the formula, just put the value L. L is the model class lower limit. So 12 is here, F1 is 16 and F0 is F0 is 12, as you know this here. F1, you know how to decide the F1 and F0? Yes, from the frequencies. So these are here, and after 2 into F1, F2, F0 and F2 values are putting here, and after that calculation, after getting the correct calculation, you will get the correct answer. Thank you.